Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video I'm going to show you how this desktops work with Windows 11. So when you put your cursor over in this icon, you can see this desktop. So if you want to create a new desktop, you click on the new desktop. You can see the new desktop is going to create. So I can create more desktop like this. So desktop number 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I click on the desktop number 4, nothing is actually going to be changed. So let me change the background of this desktop. We're going to click on the personalize, go to setting, click on the background. So now I'm going to select this as my background for this desktop. You can see when I'm going to change the background for this desktop 4 and for the other desktop it doesn't show me anything. That for other desktop is a different, so it means that I can change background for each desktop, but I can use application. You can see all the application which is available here. It's also available in other desktop as well. So if I want to make a for the desktop 2, I'm going to make a presentation. So switching desktops is going to be so much useful with Windows 11 because it's going to be used for different presentation purpose. You can presenting any kind of business presentation, or if you want to presenting any educational materials. So these switching desktops can really help you a lot. So let me show you how this is going to work with your app. So if I click on the notepad, I'm going to run this notepad. So this is going to be our presentation one. So let's switch to desktop number 3. So in this desktop I'm going to open notepad again and I'm going to type 2. So this is our presentation number 2. So we're going to click on the desktop 4. Now here I'm going to open notepad and now I'm going to type 3. So this is my presentation 3. So whenever your computer is connected to the projector, so simply you can switch between these desktops to hide your apps that for each desktop that you open, app is going to be hide. So if I want to go to desktop number 2, so you can see the first presentation is going to show up. So what if I want to close each desktop one by one? So if I click on desktop 4, so you can see that this is opened this presentation number 3. Let me open this file explorer as well. So on the number 4 we have this explorer. Let me close the number 3 desktop. So if I close the number 4, let's try number 4, not 3. So if I close number 3, you can see all the application that is opened, the file explorer, and also this presentation number 3 and number 2 is showing here. It means that when I'm going to close this number 3, is all application that's open with this desktop is going to be added for this. If I close this number 2, all the application that's inside this desktop is going to show up on desktop 1. So let's try to close this desktop number 3 and let's try to close this number 2. So now we are on the desktop, so you can see the application or the presentation for this notepad. Presentation number 1, presentation number 2, presentation number 3 is going to show up here. It means that if you close your desktop, still you can access all your apps. It means that you can hide all the apps inside the desktop when you're going to open a new one. So if I'm going to open a new one, so I can open a new desktop with my Windows. If I click new desktop, you can see for the new desktop there's no app. But if I open any file explorer or any other file, if I go back to my first desktop, so you can see nothing is going to show up until I'm going to close this one. So if I am going to click at this desktop, you can see all this file explorer or the anything that is going to be open, where desktop is going to show up on the first desktop and you're not going to lose anything. So hope you guys enjoy this video and it really help you with your works with Windows 11. And if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned to get like these tutorials and like this videos, technology training. So don't forget to press the bell icon so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.